is Danielle, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY loofah and PVC snake hide using loofah. So I've been using this for my snake enclosure, but I wanted to add something to it so it looked a little more organic and less like a PVC tube. Anyways, so I'm going to take these loofah that I grew this year. They are cut open. And I'm going to use these to just make this look a little bit more natural. I'm hoping this will also hold in some humidity. These, when they get wet, I can spray them with water and they'll absorb water. They'll also be really nice for her to rub against when she's shedding. So yeah, we'll see how this works. So I'm going to take I've got my glue gun here. I'm going to glue this on and I'm going to glue this around. I'm not going to bother with the very bottom. I am looking mostly to cover the sides that will show, because everything that is in the substrate is going to be covered up. So I'm just going to glue these on, and then after I glue them, I'm just going to tie them with a piece of twine. So I'm hoping this will work. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the edge of this side, and then I've got this all glued on, and I'm going to actually take a few small pieces and just do the lip here to cover it up. And I'm also going to probably try to put some inside, which I might probably want to do in advance just to make my life easier. Well, the hot glue is working pretty well on this. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut some of this off. It's flying away on me. Yeah, let me go finish this. Okay, so I've got this in here. I'm just gonna try to wet it down and see, because my hope is that it'll help hold humidity in the tank better. But I think part of that is also a lot of holding the humidity in. I've been told to just pretty much drown the substrate, which I am happy to do because it's an easy solution. And we're at like 50% here, so a little lower than I would like. But I'm hoping this will hold moisture in and also keep it from being completely soaked as well. So maybe a win, but we'll see if she likes it. Marina, check out your new fort. I made you something. Oh gosh, don't be offended by it, because I will be very sad. Go in the special secret tunnel. I made you a special tunnel. Please check it out. What are you trying to trick me into? I know you're so pretty. Hi, pretty girl. Do we not want to go inside? I don't. I just wanted you to check out your new tunnel. Oh, there you go. There we go. Hi, precious. What do you think? Oh, is it awesome? Is it nice?
I wonder if she will like the texture. Or...
I hope so. She likes the texture when it's in her top hide, so I'm hoping she will enjoy it. And it'll hold moisture. Well, I don't know. It might. I think she'll be able to scratch up against it, and I can also get it moist, and it'll help hold humidity in here, hopefully. We'll see.
Marina?
Oh, there she goes. Hello, baby.
Hug.
Who's my good girl? This is the final look. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Again, you're going to be getting some loofah, which is a plant. It's pretty much a sponge plant. It's pretty cool. And they're very easy to grow and fun to work with. Lots of things you can do with them. But in this case, I'm just really just wrapping them around and using a glue gun to glue them down. Super, super easy. Little twine to hold everything in place while it was drying. And yeah, that's it. We'll see if my snake actually likes it. My snake's a bit finicky, and she prefers her top hide above all things and does not like to leave it, so we'll see. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out the blog post on DIYDanielle.com for more information about the project, and I'll have some information about the supplies in the links below. Take care.